Former President Donald Trump made his first trip back to New York City since pleading not guilty to 34 felony charges brought by Manhattan District Attorney Alvin Bragg last week. He arrived on Thursday for a deposition at the office of New York State Attorney General Letitia James as part of her $250 million civil lawsuit against Trump and his namesake company. Near Wall Street, a garage beneath the Attorney General's office was where Trump's motorcade was spotted entering. James filed a lawsuit against Trump in September of last year, accusing him, his eldest children, the Trump Organization, and a few of its executives of plotting for more than 10 years to inflate Trump's net worth and the value of his real estate holdings in order to get better deals on loans, taxes, and insurance. If James wins the trial, which is expected to take place in October, the defendants could be subject to a $250 million fine and be prohibited from running a business in New York. In a morning social media post before the deposition, Trump, who has denied wrongdoing, called James a black woman, racist, and her lawsuit ridiculous. President Trump is eager to testify before the Attorney General today, according to a statement from Alina Habba, the president's lawyer, on Thursday. He is steadfast in his belief that he has nothing to hide, and he eagerly anticipates informing the Attorney General of the enormous success of his multi-billion-dollar business. Questions about Trump's business practices and the accuracy of the Trump Organization's financial statements are being asked during his deposition, but it is unclear whether he will respond or assert his Fifth Amendment right against self-incrimination, as he did when he took his first deposition in the case last August. Jurors are permitted to infer negatively from a defendant's decision to take the Fifth in a civil case. The defense of Donald Trump had asked for a postponement of the October trial, but Judge Arthur Engoron ruled last month that there was no need to do so in the seemingly simple case of whether Trump's disclosures to lenders and insurers were accurate or not. The question, according to Engoron, is whether the statements were false, he said in a hearing last month. This case is not complicated, but it is complex. Trump has expressed his displeasure with Engoron, writing in a social media post on Thursday morning that if I had a fair judge, this case would have never happened.